up, my peoples? What up, my kings and queens? It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks, doing a different type of vlog for y'all today. Yeah, letting y'all in, giving y'all a little sneak peek of what these bad boys and bad girls is about. I'm pulled up at my boy Magic house.
What it do? What it do?
You know what I'm saying? We're about to go to the school for the blind and do this community service, man. This is something that we do every year. We're finna go to the school for the blind, and we finna give these people rides on our bikes, man. That's what we talking about doing, man. We do it for the community. That's what I'm about. Y'all wanna know what I'm about? Don't get me wrong. I love my kicks, I love my shoes, but I do a lot for the community up in Austin, man. Just letting y'all know, you know what I'm saying? So I'm finna give y'all a sneak peek on what we doing, man. So we finna go pull up on these boys. We finna go to the clubhouse, and then we're gonna go down to the school for the deaf. No, school for the blind. Because we do school for the deaf too, but we're going for the school for the blind. And we're finna give them rides on our motorcycles, man. I'm telling you, these people love it, man. The kids, these grown-ups, they love it, man. So y'all stay tuned, we going in. What up, peeps? We back, but we're here for the school for the blind. And you can see we pulled up, man. Bikes in the background. My man Talent right there, man. Y'all ain't met Talent yet, but my man Talent.
Who ain't met me?
Say, hey, just like I told y'all, man, when y'all put in the link in my description, y'all see D-Lab Beats off in there. This is the man that you're gonna be talking to. So if y'all hit any of the beats that's in my in my vlogs, this is my man right here. That go for you too, YouTube. See y'all get free throw over there. They done already clowned you. You better go look at the comments on my video. Go look at the comments on my video, bro.
Y'all see that man right there? Y'all need to turn around. Magic is his name. That man Spike.
Now, hey, Magic didn't spike anything, man. That was a straight up drink. That was a straight up drink that my man Frito could not handle.
Look, that drink was Spike. He shook that mug up and it went right up my nose.
Hold on. If it was Spike, why did you drink it?
Huh? I didn't know it was Spike.
If it was Spike, if you knew it was Spike, why did you drink it?
That video, man. Y'all can subscribe all you want.
My man.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Do
what I'm
community
saying?
Service for the blind. That's
You
what
know
we do.
it. Y'all see the bikes is here.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna put these people on these bikes, man. Make sure we
Charity
get
is
them
what we do. We give back to the community.
all the time, man. All the time.
Bikes. Everything y'all hear about bikes, that's not what it is. Bike club.
What we do free, give back.
We
We give back, man. We get back to the community. This is a community-driven club, man. I'm telling y'all,
Yes.
this is what we do. Shoot, we done had them before. So, Mr. Incredible.
Hey.
My man can't get right. This our official trailer puller. That man gonna pull them trailers, but don't get it twisted. He got a bike too. Just saying. My man's over here, Big Thump. Big Thump is my big. My son, the boy up in the building. You know what I'm saying? We all gonna make it happen here. You know what I'm saying?
Play. He straight business at all times.
At all times.
At all times.
Gonna get in. We gonna get in. Hey, it's just me, strictly business. It's nothing personal, ever personal. It's strictly business. I'm gonna make sure my club good, make sure the safety good of everybody, and we gonna have fun while we do it. All the time. All the time. Holla, I got two of my ladies over here, man. We'll get it in. Tasty and Babyface. Can y'all guess who Babyface is? Tasty says she tasty, so that's her name. And my prayers right there too low, man. You know what I'm saying? Bad Boys and Girls official, man. We making it happen here at the school for the blind, and we gonna get them rides on our bikes, man. As y'all can see here, they always having stuff out here, man. Last year I know they had a rock climbing thing out here. They just now getting everything set up out here, but you know we're here a little early. But it's official, man. This is what we do here, man. School for the blind. Make sure you know they sign a waiver. We good. We got helmets for them. just to let y'all know, we got helmets for them, waivers. You know what I'm saying? We make sure they safe, man. They're gonna be good. They're gonna be safe, and we're gonna take a tour around the property. All right, and we do have a visitor here. What's your name?
James.
James. We got James that's riding with us, man. He brought his bike out, man, to help us out. You know what I'm saying, with the School for the Blind and give us rides out there. So James is out here with the Bad Boys and Girls Bike Club, man. So we y'all get it official. Y'all know, hey, it's a community-driven club, man. This is what we do, man. We always giving back, man. Seriously. So stay tuned. Got more footage for y'all, man. Babyface gonna do the first ride of the day. Yeah. So you already know the route, but we did it. Go for it. First ride out.
We got you. So you got a backrest now. Wave it, everybody.
Wave on this one. You don't gotta hold on this time.
You got music? See? Ooh, doggy.
Right there. Did it? He jumped in the Cadillac.
What would you like to hear?
For lunch, roast beef or pasta curds?
Oh, we don't have mayonnaise on it. We're going to slow.
All right.
Damn. Matt?
Okay, got you. Now, you know, you saw the goofy little pink signs. That's the route, man.
One more time, like yeah, like that.
Like that.
Y'all gotta meet my Uncle Paya, man. This is my Uncle Yak. Can't nobody call him Paya but me though. This is my Uncle Yak, man. There you go, Lo. I got my other uncle. Face.
What's up, man? For lunch, you want anything classic club?
My man Uncle Face, you know what I'm saying? Hey, showing up on the scene, we here, baby. With the Run Rock Donuts, though.
Take off thing.
Yes, I am.
There we go. That's what he's trying to do.
He okay.
Y'all make sure y'all don't go over 20.
Let's get in on this time.
There you go. Yeah, man. We've done it again. School for the Blind. Doing it for the kids one more time, man. Every year. So, y'all make sure y'all tune in, man. I got more stuff coming, more vlogs coming. Not just about the kicks, man. Even though I am rocking them winter 12s today, man. My man got the,
rocking the green and black Pumas.
Look, we reverse them going way.
Yeah.
We keep that green going, man. We keeping it going.
That's what's up.
So it ain't always just about the kicks. We do other things around here, man. Finna get it.
All right, man. I know you